Retirement is a life-changing experience. Start planning for it. Al Habib Pension Fund or Al Habib Islamic Pension Fund, the ultimate savings and investment solution. These products offer an individual to secure their retirement finances by nurturing their savings through investment returns. What's more, they come with attractive tax benefits. You can invest in money market, debt and equity securities according to your risk appetite. The asset allocation can be modified anytime during investment period. Your pension plan remains unaffected, even if you change jobs. You enjoy the benefit of investing either a lump sum amount or monthly, quarterly, and annual contributions. Through investing, you can reduce up to 20% of your tax burden that can maximize your returns. If you are a salaried person and your annual taxable income is 12 million rupees, you can invest up to 20%, that is 2.4 million rupees. Hence you will save tax of 737,058 rupees. And if you are non-salaried person, you will save tax up to 1 million rupees. Effectively, your earning will be return plus tax savings. You can choose a retirement age between 60 to 70 years or 25 years from your initial contribution. You have the opportunity to make tax-free withdrawals at the time of retirement up to 50% of your account balance. Remaining amount can be availed for monthly pension through our income payment plan. You can also make an early withdrawal anytime subject to withholding tax as per Income Tax Ordinance. Start planning for the retirement you've always envisioned. Join Al Habib Pension Fund or Al Habib Islamic Pension Fund today, and let us help you build a brighter future.
All investments in pension funds are subject to market risks. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please read the offering document to understand the investment policies and risks involved.